exploring Uizard templates. The goal of this lesson is to help you to understand how to browse and make use of the Uizard's built-in template in order to accelerate your design process. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. In the last lesson, we created a new project from scratch. But hey guys, what if you want to save time, or should I say, what if you need a little inspiration? Now, this is where Uizard template comes in. Again, in this lesson, you will learn how to explore mobile and web templates in order to preview them and how to customize them for your own project. So guys, let's go back to our Uizard dashboard. Okay, you can see where my mouse cursor is on. To go back to the dashboard, come right here and then click on this Uizard's logo. All right, you can see where it says go to dashboard, and then click on it, and now it takes us back to the dashboard. Remember, we have already created a new project. All right, so guys, let's go ahead to click on the start from template. All right, in order to open the template section. And now this is our Uizard template section. So guys, right here you would see a variety of templates. Yeah, over here you could see the low fidelity web templates. You could also see the low fidelity mobile templates. Coming down right here, you could also see the productivity app templates. When you keep scrolling, you would see a variety of templates. All right, right here you can see the travel app templates. Additionally, you can also see a startup landing page template. Guys, there are varieties of templates right here. Some of them are pro templates, which requires you to change your plan. All right, remember, we are on a free plan. All right, and you can even find industry specific templates like healthcare or the e-commerce, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, over here, let's say we want to make use of a mobile template. All right, now let's click on this mobile tab, and when you do that, you would find mobile templates littered all around here. All right, now let's hover over this template and then click on view, and when you click on view, it is going to bring you right here. So guys, at this stage you can go ahead to click on preview in order to take a closer look. All right, this helps you to decide if it is a good fit before using it. So let's go ahead to click on preview, you can see where my mouse cursor is on. It says preview. So let's click on preview. Click on got it. So guys, as you can see, this template comes with pre-built screens, splash pages, login forms, buttons, product listing, and many more. Now let's click on this sign in with email and see. All right, right here you can see all the pre-built elements. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's close this down, and then let's go ahead and scroll down, and then let's go ahead to click on use this template in order to load it into your project. So guys, at this stage you would notice that Uizard now loads this design into your canvas. All right, you will see multiple screens already laid out, each one with editable UI components. Yeah, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, everything here is fully customizable. All right, you can change the text. All right, you can drag the elements. All right, you can as well switch the colors. Or even you can delete and add new screens. All right, you can see your delete button right here, and additionally you can add new screens. All right, you can add an empty screen, and you can also generate a screen with AI. All right, you can additionally scan screens from wireframes and screenshots. Additionally, you can also import your screens from Figma, Sketch, or Adobe SD. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's quickly check out a web template. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and when we do that, it is also important to understand that with this free plan we can only create just 2 projects. All right, now let's go ahead to delete this project. All right, now let's type delete in order to proceed, and then click on the delete button. Now we have just one project right here. All right, so that it can enable us to go ahead and check out what the web template is all about. Now let's come right here, and then let's click on start from templates, and then let's go ahead to click on desktop. When we do that, let's go ahead to pick up something like a landing page product. So guys, this is good. All right, now let's view this Lando startup landing page. Okay, so let's click on view. So guys, you can see that this template comes with pre-built screens, splash pages, login forms, product listing, and many more. Now let's go ahead to click on preview. The same process, guys. You can see, guys, this template comes with pre-built screen, just like we said earlier. All right, login forms, so guys, just like I said earlier, you can see that this template comes with pre-built screens, splash pages, login forms, product listing, and many more. And that's beautiful, guys. Now let's go back to the dashboard and then make use of this template. So guys, it is the same process. Okay, now we have previewed this template. Now let's click on use this template. And now you have a ready to edit website template to work with. All right, remember, you can increase and decrease, right? You can increase and decrease. So guys, right here we have a ready to edit website layout to work with. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is important to understand that templates are one of the best ways to kickstart your design and learn by example. So whether you are building a mobile app or a website, Uizard gives you a flexible starting point, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, in the next lesson we will explore UI components and also start building your custom screens. See you soon.